Welcome to the ASL Kids Club, where learning sign language is fun and exciting.
The book title, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Jungle Hide and Seek. Written by Eric Carle. Look here, there's a jungle. And who's up there in the sky soaring high above? What is that? Yes, vibrant parrots. And a toucan. And look here, there's a monkey. He lives here, swinging from tree to tree. And there's another animal that lives here, resting in the tree there. Oof, he's so slow. It's just always so sleepy. What is it? A sloth. Look at the jungle. There's a tiger walking in and a leopard resting in the tree, and I'm prowling. My tail swishing to and fro. Who am I? Yes, I'm a panther. Look at here, a waterfall down into the river. Right there, there's another animal. And that animal is what? Scaly and green. Who is it? That's right, a crocodile that likes to prowl in the water, in the river. Hey, who loves munching and eating leaves? Yum, yum, yum. Just eating, eating, eating. Who is that? And this animal loves to eat lots of leaves and is near the butterfly. Can you find it? Oh, no, that's not me. I'm not a frog. No, that's not me. That's a snake. No. Keep going, keep searching. That's a bird. You found me. Yep, that's me, a caterpillar.